Hi there, this is Jordan with Sunset Cars of Auburn, and this is our 2003 Mercury Mountaineer Premier. The stock number for this car is 98569. If you type that in on our website, sunsetcars.com, you're going to get to see the full list of features that this car has. This is a great Northwest vehicle. Has all-wheel drive and it's a V8. Lots of power. Have a tow hitch with trailer wiring if you want it for anything you can bring along. Has big windows for great visibility, a roof rack for even more storage, and has a third row without being too much of an oversized vehicle. It's still pretty easy to maneuver, easy parking, but you have the added capacity of extra passenger space. It also has a nice two-tone leather interior, rolling coat security, running boards, heated seats, and memorized settings for 2 separate drivers. It also has a sunroof, leather steering wheel trim, and a clean Carfax history report. Add to that parking sensors, lots of safety features, and here at Sunset, we take your trade-ins, paid for or not, and we buy cars. So come and take it for a test drive today and tell them Jordan sent you when you come in.